What's the secret to success?
Well, the secret to success, it's gotta be discernment. Yeah! You know, you gotta have high standards. I even bring my own balls to these things.
High tilt.
I make them open up the machine, put my own balls in.
So is that why you only drink Tilt and Tilt Light Lager?
I drink Tilt because I like it.
Yeah! That's right!
Why not another beer?
Because those other beers taste like piss. Tilt tastes good. Discernment.
Phillips Brewing Company is legally obligated to use Tilt Lightning as their spokesperson. We do not agree with any of his views.